Alright guys, right before the Portland Sportsman Show, Trent and I got a wild hair to take some pontoon boats out steelhead fishing because our home river is looking a little low and we'd actually probably not even be able to get a drift boat through it, but we really want to go steelhead fishing. So I just called every buy mart within like 15 zip codes, and there's one on display here, then one up in Eugene that I'm going to drive up and get tonight. And we're going to be on the river in 2 days. Right now. Let's figure out how to get it in Chase's truck and go back to the office to post tomorrow's video. Alright guys, I just picked up the other raft last night and had an extra 30 minutes. I figured, why not actually set this thing up before we get to the boat ramp? I'm gonna set up a time lapse, putting these rafts together. It actually didn't come with too many pieces, and I only need an Allen wrench for the oar locks, but besides that, and it came with a separate little pump. It's got like a little custom valve, which is good because Trent's was a floor model, and it definitely did not come with that. We didn't look into that at all. So, and then right after this, we're gonna be on the river.
We got there.
Oh man, my daughter crocheted this for me. Look at this. Yeah, I mean, warmth, so much warmth. This is coming with today. All right, today's an exciting day. I don't know why we're all giddy like school kids. Look at this bad bear. We all got new vessels. I gotta put some air in that thing. Noah's got his, cameraman Chase has got his. Never floated them before. We're just gonna go down the river and have some fun. And this is our first steelhead trip of the year, so we thought, well, the water's not high right now. It's super, super low and clear, so we can't get a drift boat down through here. So we're going with the little pontoon boats, and we have to do a naming ceremony. Do you have ideas?
I have idea. I actually have a couple, but water conditions in Oregon are pretty minimal right now. Yeah. I think we've gotten like half-inch rain in the last month, and it was in the last 4 or 5 days, so you're saying we have a chance.
Oh yeah. Anyway, the naming, do you want to name your boat first? I like to go down the river and get a real feel for it before I put a name on it, but you said you can't do that.
I already know how my boat's gonna feel.
You do, huh?
Yeah. What's your name?
I don't know. When you yeah, I don't know.
What are you going with?
You got to go with what works, you know. I mean, there's only one name, Jenny.
Jenny, 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 Jenny's, Jenny, 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 Jenny.
That's gonna be the boat's name right there,
Jenny.
Jenny 1, because there could be 2, 3, and 4 coming soon. There you go.
Gotta remember how to spell it.
This could be half your battle right here.
This isn't how you think it's gonna go.
No, I can't imagine.
Just wait.
You sing?
She's built for speed.
What's that?
It's like Usain Bolt, the fastest man ever, but Usain boat.
Oh, we'll be lucky to make it down the river.
And I'm gonna add a couple lightning bolts for taste.
Oh, he isn't going to be at the bottom of this shallow river within the first 200 yards, probably.
Usain Boat 1. Look at that.
Usain
Boat.
Okay. We have to get Chase is pumped up first before we name it.
We should have brought the kayak just in case.
It'll work. Don't
Oh, I know how to walk out of here. We can walk out of here at almost any spot, so I can get back to the road. This could mean a safe
breakout moment.
A breakout moment. Bug's life. Nope. The blue.
Blue stem. Blue stee.
Blue steel.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Drove across the Natchez Bridge today. You opened up the door.
Feeling good?
Well, we've got on every piece of clothing we own. It was 25 this morning? Was it cold in that over there?
18, 19 up in Eugene.
18? Yeah, it's been super, super cold. So we're all a little bit giddy, I'm not gonna lie to you. The inaugural trip, and yeah, it's just a beautiful day. All right, so yeah, we're gonna shuttle rigs and launch this barrage of vessels, and hopefully we float. Hey, we're all floating right now, so that's good. That's good.
Wait, I'll let you take the inaugural run here. I don't even know where the holes are, Trent.
Right here. We're sneaking up on them. We just need a bite now. We just need a fish to play. I think I have too much clothes on. I'm starting to get warm now. The anticipation is killing me. Not enough river or what? I gotta deal with this again? Well, if you're gonna wait 20 minutes between casts, need to do some rigging here. The deck system, tackle box. There's a lot going on in this boat right here.
Be wondering what's this handle for. You gave us both a heart attack like you do most every day. Lord knows we wouldn't have it any other way. Hey rivers, oh rivers, you're a joy tornado, rivers. Just like your name, you're making your way back home. You saw a squirrel, you thought it was a monkey. Big old smile, and said that you were funny. Every day's a party when you live like an ice cream.
This hole used to be really good and deep, but it kind of changed. It's not as good anymore. Fish on! Oh! That was my fault.
That wasn't mine.
Oh! It was terrible hook set. It's terrible. I watched the bobber go down. I thought it was bottom, so I'm just like reeling. I feel this.
I saw him. I was waiting if you're going to hook set him between the third or fourth edge.
I don't want to talk about it right now.
How deep is that hole?
I don't know. I'm not set super deep, but it just went in and just went down. Bam.
Right where it should be, too.
No, it should be down the back end of this one, but I haven't fished this in quite a few years. So. We did it right here. Right there. Real rook move there, Chase. Real rook move. Do you see one?
3.
3?
So straight out. Me and that yellow bush.
Right there? And it's just going like this, and I'm like, I'm an idiot. Set the hook, fish comes out of the water, gone. That really wasn't a hook set. I think Noah can vouch for that. It was pretty rough on all levels. That's the thing about like fishing super low and clear conditions. You may only have 1 or 2 shots the whole drift, and if you screw it up like I just did, you have to live for that. And living with that's not easy.
We're kind of just hunting. The water's so low and clear, it's barely got any color to it. Pretty much we're gonna fish anywhere you can't see bottom. And so we're even just rowing past holes that Trent usually fishes when conditions are a little better, but we've probably only come over 3 or 4 holes where you can't see bottom, this being the first one. And right behind this root wad, like second cast, Trent's worm just drained. And it's like right when you get into a hole, it's hard because you don't know the depth yet, and our confidence is kind of low today. But we're hunting, and so I went to the tail out of the hole and I could see one fish land, and it bit, and I just didn't connect on it. So I don't know, but that fish came back up into this hole, and it's just tough because with the water clarity as good as it is, you're only going to have a couple chances per hole if there's a fish in it before you blow them out. So, but we're trying. We're gonna get one today, probably on this cast. That's a nice cast. Not on that cast. I will say, like those guys always say, the worm bites are legit. Like when they bite them.
Dude, when I picked it up, I even held it and it was just going
Yeah, I saw. I was trying to figure out which head shake you're gonna set the hook on.
Too soon. Oh, okay.
The best part of all this is just getting to go 1v1 and just talk crap to each other all day long. It's kind of a team effort, but it's kind of not. I'm not saying it's a competition, but there will be a loser at the end of today. As of right now, it's Trent.
Did anybody hear the too soon thing? Anybody actually got it?
Like nobody even cares about your emotions. Like right where I'm at is where I saw it land. Look like there's a couple in there. My confidence in this hole now is a little. The 2 fish we've seen in here, we're moving rather quickly after we had something to do with it.
Yeah, I'm not saying that I didn't farm off that fish, but
You farmed off that fish. I mean, that's like, if there was a poster of someone farming off a steelhead, there would be that on it, you know?
it was rough. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I mean, that's like guitar stringing a 5-pound bass like I did in Mexico.
Yeah, that was pretty rough.
It was like you were fishing a steelhead tournament and you're pre-fishing it and you're trying to shake off that fish.
I did a good job. I mean, I did what I came to do.
At least you got a 3-ounce float on now.
I know. He's gonna have to grab onto it, is what you're saying. Well, let's go hit the next set. Let's go farm off another one.
I know, now I'm in my head about the color.
I know.
I was about to do its first cartwheel and give us a show.
Yeah, it was too. It was about ready to make money on camera, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, everybody, I'm sorry. I'm a terrible fisherman. I haven't fished in hardly, I don't know. I could throw out the excuses, but guess what? There is no excuse. I lost the only fish so far today. Till the next corner.
In a candy store with a criminal's grin, chocolate running down your chin again, skipping stones at sunset down at Nickajack Lake. Hey rivers, oh rivers, you're a joy tornado. Rivers, just like your name, you're making your way back home. Hey rivers, oh rivers, moving like all those Tennessee rivers, going to the ocean, making their way back home.
There is a cloud of brown dirt and mud going right through the hole right now.
Watch this, Chase. Don't even worry about Trent's bobber.
That's a fish.
Yeah, it is. Get him. Got him.
I had it too often.
You see it going sideways?
It went sideways. Just homered my worm. You got those worms in that?
Is that a night crawler?
Yeah.
I kind of want to throw one on this jig head. Is that what you did?
No, I just threw on a hook. We got the worms in there.
I was wondering how long you're going to wait.
Well, I was making sure it was a fish.
Swimming upriver, does that usually mean it's a fish?
You know, when you start hooking them, you can let me know. Did you get that on film? Appreciate your honesty. I don't want to talk about it right now, okay? It's still a little bit soon.
Also, I think there's some fish left in the hole.
There he is.
Got him.
Got him?
Lost him.
You had him, didn't you?
I mean, I was so confident.
No, you talked real big game. Talked a real big game.
I said, there's one.
For like, you know, 2 seconds.
The first one buried.
First one buried. Mine just, see, I got this big bobber on. Because somebody took my other good float from
I have good bobbers for you. I mean, you don't need to. That thing's almost not even in the water.
Not real sure what I'm doing right now. This could go either way. Getting one is floating, boy.
That is, I can officially say that's what I got into the water. I need another rod holder now if they know that they work on this. I believe you said we're gonna catch a fish in this hole.
It's changed a lot since I've been here. That thing all sloughed out. It used to be deep right here. I need a shorter leader too.
You think?
No. Probably lengthen out just a little bit more.
Trying to line fish with and you're dogging with a jig bobber and
Easy.
I know you got bobber dog and bobbers because we cut them off last time.
I'm not that kind of a guy.
You're hitting though, you're at the right depth.
Yeah, I think I'm doing fine.
Just dragging through there good.
This really sets up weird at the end of it. You guys ready to rock and roll?
Ready to rock and roll.
Next hole.
You're making your way back home. Hey, rivers, oh, rivers, moving like all those Tennessee rivers, going to the ocean, making their way back home. Just like a road trip, making your way back home. Just like your name, you're making your way back home.
Go under it or what?
The water's only a couple feet deep.
What do we got here?
Well, we've got this is kind of why we did this whole thing, is to go through places like we're going to go through here in just a second. It's got some serious downfall. And drift boat would not work at all. So that's why we got the Blue Thunder over here, or Blue Steel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Blue Steel. So I'm gonna just break down my rod so I don't hang them up on everything alive, and then we'll just go underneath of it. Won't be too hard. Easy peasy.
Apple cider vinegar and honey off the cone. Do a lot of good for soup. Take it hot, take it right
down there
off
on the
the
corner.
stove. Add a little liquor, it'll cure a little cold.
He'll cast over me here in a second anyway. I'm sure. So you get a zoom on that thing right there, because it's going to go downtown here in a second. Please go. Please do it now.
Come on. We're full zoom right now.
Are we full zoom?
Full zoom.
I'm gonna keep that thing going then, just in case. If it did go down, I would honestly weep. I would honestly actually just cry with tears of joy. Let's try one more and then we'll boogie. Boot, scoot, and boogie here.
I had a pretty iffy breakfast and just kind of burped wrong, and now stuff in my stomach's just...
I kind of want to see you chuck.
I'd feel a lot better if I did.
Oh, there's so much going on there. You're joking? Why would you put him in my pickup?
It clearly wasn't on purpose. Good thing we have cell service.
No, we have to walk.
We'll get a ride.
Oh. Well.
I'm not lying. It's not awesome. Good thing we have snacks. Coming.
You got cigarettes and coffee in the rain outside, but it takes a little more to feel just right. When you need something that feels like home, go apple cider vinegar and honey off the comb.
Sometimes it's who you know. Okay. Sometimes it's who you know. Did he found your keys? Well, that's a big shocker there, bud. Big shocker. So what we're doing here, that's why we got these little cute boats, is we do the method called running and gunning. That's what we're doing right now. We fished a whole river, farmed off a couple steelhead like idiots. It's been a long time since we've had rods in our hands, so it's like trying to get the feel for it. It's gonna take us a little bit, bear with us. But we are running to another river to, hopefully it's 4:10 right now. We're gonna run over there. Hopefully we can get there before dark. Try one, maybe two holes in the blue boats and see if we can't farm off maybe a couple more. So yeah, run and gun right now. Kind of on a runner here, guys. Ah, nailed it. Just an overhand granny, no big deal.
I'm over here by myself, just tying something down. I just hear you guys hopscotching. Straps got it, yep, got it this side, yep. Ready, crank it. I'm just wondering, you know. They got the straps for a 4-man operation.
Did you want to go fishing or not? Did you want to go fishing or not?
I'm done. Oh, please don't be broken.
Good as new?
It's crushed it, kind of. It crushed it here too. Yeah, that's shot. I don't know. You're not supposed to run over them. I guess they're not. They don't take tire tracks over. That's weird, huh? Yeah. Fishing rods and What, chandeliers? You're not supposed to run over. Where I want to fish those way down on the brush line.
This is the hole though, up top. So it's not gonna fish itself. Trent's been low holing me all day. Watch this.
Come on, Jake. We're in the water. We can't make this up. We've got sunlight fading. We're gonna see if we can't finish the day out with the goal that we intended is to crush a steelhead at some point.
It ain't as simple as it used to be. Like a kid coming in with a script on the knee. No grown-up hearts don't heal like they should. So we dance through the gray and we pray they would.
I saw this going differently, I'm not gonna lie. Might not, I don't think it's gonna happen this evening. I think fishing light's just about over. We will definitely try again. This video is, we're gonna roll a to be continued. Trip number 2 goes up. Maybe Noah will actually have rods that he doesn't run over with his pickup too. That'd be good, huh? You know, I've noticed they've worked better for me when they're actual straight rods and not just have flat spots in them. I've noticed they work a lot better for me. You must have a different idea on the whole take of the situation, but anyway, it's been a blast. It's been a fun day, guys. It's been a super fun day, and we tried it. We hit it hard. We tried some new stuff. That's the cool thing, is get out. Those boats were what, 250?
250.
250 bucks.
One of them was 10% off.
One was 10% off because it was a show floor model, and that was mine. But I mean, it's one of those things where you can at any time try something new, try an adventure, and that's what we did, and we had a blast today. So I think you're going to see more of the blue steel and the Jenny 1 and what was it again?
Hussein Boat.
Hussein Boat.